I know what that sound is. Yeah, definitely know what that sound is. New weapon. Look at that. Bloody chainsaw. Yes. Oh, you beauty. Hell yeah. And there's only one way to find out what this weapon is capable of. Look what I got! Come here, you Oh, yes. Who's next, eh? There you are. Look what I got, mate! You want to see some more? There's some more for you. Right then. I've got a bloodlust now. I need more. More! You're next, come here. I'm loving this chainsaw. I'm loving it. There's another one. My next victim. Oi, mate! Yeah, you didn't see me, but I saw you. Ah! Don't run from me! Come here. Where are you going, eh? You trying to escape me? Huh? Come here! Anyone else? Eh? No one. I'll find more. I will find more. I am invincible! Invincible! Nothing will hurt me. Nothing. Did you hear me from all the way down there? I said nothing would hurt me. And I'm here to prove my point. Yes. Ah, yes. Smashing all the windows. Smashing everything I see. Smash everything. What is that? What are you doing? You saw nothing. You saw nothing. And what? Oh, you want some as well, mate? I've got plenty. I have plenty. Oh, anyway, what was I doing? Oh yeah, important stuff. Smashing all the windows, smashing everything. See? No, this place is filthy. Absolutely filthy. You had one job to look after this place, and you know what? You failed. The punishment is death! Punishment is death. Hope you learned your lesson. Oh, you think you're safe in numbers, do you? Well, you thought wrong! You want some? Come on, I've got plenty. Where's your other friend gone? Where is he? I saw him sliding around. Have you disappeared because you saw what happened to your mates, eh? There you are. Do you want a piece of me? Huh? I'll give you a piece. I'll cut you into pieces. Remember me? Huh? I've come with a vengeance. Look what I've got now, eh? Look what I have. Toggle the light, I know. I'm busy. Revenge! Come on, I need more. Need more enemies. Oh, another mannequin. You think you can hide from me, dear? Hey, where are you? You're not hiding from anything! You're hiding from nothing! Bastard mannequin! So satisfying. God, yes. Strike a pose. You want to try me? Huh? Well, you tried, and you failed. Come on, where are you? Can't hide from me. Told ya! Keep trying to hide. Not gonna work. Go on, take your best shot. No, you missed. And I did not. Ooh. Your party, is it? Huh? You having a party? I'll show you how to do a party! Come here! Let me just jump in here. I'm joining the party, joining the fun. I'll have all of you. Enjoy the party, lads. I'll shoot them. Come on, Pyramid. Just me and you, no one else, just me and you. Your weapon versus my weapon. We'll see who has the largest. I said it wrong, but whatever. Come on then. What you got, Pyramid? Come on, what you got? What you got? Another hit, out. Now what you got, push and shove. Come on, try it. Got you pinned! Whoa! Is that it? Is that all you've got? Oh, you're trying to hit me once more, yeah? Hit you once more. Sneaky hits. That's it, run away. Run! Walk away, Pyramid Head. Hang your massive pyramid head in shame. I am the greatest warrior the world has ever seen. No one will stop me. No one. Ow! Fucking